Hi guys, welcome back to another helpful video. Today we are featuring the Redmi Note 15 Pro Max. In this tutorial, I'll explain how to fix the proximity sensor not working issue step by step. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Now let's get started.